A very good evening to everybody, and today we are doing something very, very interesting. Okay, at a time like this when COVID is on and events are supposedly not happening, let me tell you and prove to you today that events are happening. In Namma Bangalore, events are here. Okay, our students at TMI are a part of all these events, right? And I'm going to show you some of these events. I'm going to request some of the students who are sitting at the India Kids Fashion Week. And while they're sitting at the India Kids Fashion Week, let us see what our students are up to. We have a batch that is going to start in June, and these students are also a part of this entire thing. Hello Arpita, hello Kirti, hello Pooja, hello Anjali. I see a lot of them waiting to come onto this live, and let us see what these people are doing. Okay, they are all there. They are part of sound, light, production, registration, anchoring. Uh, let's just go there and see what these guys are doing. I'm sure you guys are really, really going to have fun. Okay. Jane is also here. I see a lot of my people over here. I'm so happy, and I'm really excited about this one. Okay, waiting for Kirti to come on, and while Kirti comes on, let's get a couple of more of you. There you are. Okay, you have Kirti with the camera which is turned around. There is Kirti. And Kirti, how's it going? How's it going? What are you doing exactly, Kirti, at the India Kid Fashion Week?
Sir, I am at the registration table here.
Wonderful. And what exactly is your job?
So I have to check whether the parents are registered online, and then give them a certificate and take the measurements of the kids and then send them to the photo.
Superb, fantastic. Kirti, hang on. Don't
Hello,
go
sir.
away. Hi, Anjali. How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. Thank you. How are you doing?
Wonderful. And superb meeting up with you guys about an hour ago. And quickly tell me, Anjali, what are you doing there? Show me around, show me the crowd, show me what you guys are up to over there.
Sure, sir. Basically, we are doing a fashion show here. It's I'm doing anchoring because of me being live and doing someone else. We have so many crowds here, and these are the judges, and these are the kids who are doing fashion show right now.
Superb, fantastic. This is really, really nice. So, are you enjoying the experience? Here is Kirti, Anjali, who's from a batch that has not yet started, folks. And I must tell you that Anjali's batch is only going to start in June. And here, Anjali has got an opportunity, thanks to TMI, thanks to the entire industry. Thank you, Event Capital, who has given us this opportunity to the students of TMI to be here at this event. Tell me your experience, Anjali. Tell me what is happening and what are you feeling and are you learning?
I got to learn a lot. I mean, I came out of my comfort zone, which I'm usually not. I came out of my comfort zone. I took up anchoring here, wherein I have a lot of faith here, and I'm trying to overcome it. And people are liking my work. I'm really happy for that. And yes, I am enjoying, and I'm very thankful for Team I for giving me this opportunity.
Fantastic. Hang on, Anjali. Don't go away. Somebody is asking, where is this event taking place? This event is taking place in Bangalore. Bangalore, people, is the best place in the world. Okay, let me tell you this, and I'm going to say this again. Bangalore is the best place in the world. That is where TMI runs. Okay, and that is where everything has opened up. And this event is happening at the Forum Shantiniketan Mall. Who else is going to come in now? We are going to get Arpita or Pooja also come in. Send me a request, guys, and let me pull you through into this live.
Yes, sir.
Coming back
Arpita
to you,
is anchoring, but she will start.
Okay. Is in Bangalore where? I just told you since 2018 that it is in a place called Forum Mall in Shantiniketan. So let's get a couple of more people to come into this live if that is possible, if Instagram allows me to do that. And then we are going to talk to some more students and find out what is it that they are doing at this wonderful venue at the Forum Shantiniketan, Bangalore. Yes, coming back to you, Kirti, what else? What else are you doing? How's the experience, Kirti?
So experience is good, sir. I am getting to interact with very people here, and I love doing that, sir.
Superb, fantastic, really nice, really nice. Yeah. So, is anybody else sending me a request right now to come onto this live?
I
Arpita,
guess Rashmita can send.
uh, anybody else? Yeah, yeah. Let's get a couple of you more. There are
Rashmita is trying to send you, sir.
great, fantastic. I look forward to that. Yeah. Since 2018 is asking so many questions, you need to answer his questions.
Already send the request. Tell sir
Sorry?
to. I have sent the request. Tell sir to join.
So they have sent you the request. They're
I
asking you
don't
to
see the
accept the
request.
request.
I don't see the request. I don't see the request. I don't
Sir
see
is
the
unable to
request.
see the request.
Request Kalsugram.
I think maybe this is the limit for this account. So perhaps one of you needs to get off and get the other person on. So
I'll get off, sir. I'll go for
yeah,
anchoring.
yeah. Do
Thank
that.
you,
Do that.
sir.
All the best. All the best, Anjali.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Nice talking
Thank
to you.
you. Thank
Nice
you.
talking to everyone here.
Likewise.
Bye.
So now Kirti and Anjali go off and let's get two more people to come. I think only three
Yes,
or four is
sir.
the limit over here. Yeah. What do you say, Kirti? Yeah. So who else is going to come onto this live and send me a request? Who else is coming on? Oh, now I can see some more requests coming in. I see Arpita. I see random Rashmita. Let me add two of them together. Yeah. So this is going to get very, very interesting. We are going to be talking to some more of our students who are there at the...
Hello, sir.
Hello
Hi,
sir.
Arpita. Hello, Rashmita. How are you doing?
We are fine sir.
Wonderful. So quickly, Arpita, tell me, what are you doing in this event? What is your role? And show me the crowd. Show me some stuff,
Oh
and
yes
tell me
sir.
what is
Sir,
it that
I
you're
am
doing.
an. So this is the crowd who are getting.
And what are you doing, Arpita? What are you doing at this event?
Sir, I am a coordinator and I'm anchoring as well.
Wow, wow. And how's the experience going so far, Arpita?
Sir, it's been great.
What are you learning? What are you learning?
I'm learning very new things, how to handle all this, and this is very new for me. And it's a very nice experience.
Wonderful. And what about yourself, Rashmita? Rashmita Ravi.
Yeah, so
As you can see, for all the people who are watching, our students at Tima are having a blast. Okay, we are learning, we are chatting, we are at an event, and we are in Bangalore, people. I've told this a couple of times. We are in Bangalore, okay, and in Bangalore, everything is open. Tima is in Bangalore, okay, and Bangalore is the best place in the world. What do you say, Rashmita, to that? Can't hear you at all. Can't
तू
hear
उस
you
तरफ
at
चल,
all.
मेरे को
There's so
crowd के
much
उधर
of
जाना है.
sound. Let's get a couple of the boys also to come on live. Let's
Okay,
get
sir. Okay, sir. I'll go and let other people join. I have to anchor.
yeah, let's get a couple of the guys also to come.
Okay. Thank you,
Desai
everyone.
and yeah, great,
Thank you.
super,
Thank you,
super.
sir.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so here it is, folks. As you can see, like I said earlier, Bangalore has opened up totally. TMI is in Bangalore, okay? And Bangalore is the city to be in because events in Bangalore are going on full swing. We have two batches of students currently who are there at the India Kids Fashion Week. One batch is what I call personally the COVID batch, which is the batch which started off right in the center of 2020, and then there is another batch that is going to start in 2021. The students of the 2021 batch have also got the opportunity to participate in these events, right? And these guys are having a blast. As you can see, I'm going to pull a few more of these guys to see what they are up to. I have Pooja and Kumar Swami, whom I'm going to pull in right now. Yeah, so here we go. So let us see. There's going to be a lot of sound, and bear with it. But I want you guys to see, actually witness what we are doing at TMI. And there is Pooja Jain. Okay, how are
Good
you
evening,
doing,
sir.
Pooja?
I'm
How are
fine,
you
Sir,
sir.
doing,
good
Please
Pooja?
go
evening.
ahead.
Good to see you. And Kumar Swami. So, yeah, let's quickly start with the lady. And Pooja, quickly tell me what exactly are you doing at the India Kid Fashion Week? And
Sir,
tell me your experiences and what you're learning. Yes, Pooja, over to you.
so this is a 4-day event, and the first day I got to do anchoring for a show, and the fourth day I was the judge, and as well as I was handling the plates.
Super, super. Pooja, your connection is not so great. There's something wrong. We are not able to see or hear you very clearly. But for the crowd who's listening in, superb. Pooja is learning to do anchoring. Not that that is an event
Sir, these
manager's
are the
job, but
cards.
here are the perks of joining Team I. Okay, where you learn a lot of stuff. Yes, Kumar Swami, tell us what are you doing there?
The video, sir, I'm handling reception desk.
Okay.
The registration was going on. Just I will show you.
Yes, please show us what exactly are you doing. Oh, you're at the registration desk, and our students at Team I are
The,
handling
regist-
registration desks. Okay,
the
super.
registration was happening. Yet we are the first contact. So we
Very nice. That's very, very, very nice. Super, fantastic. Pooja, if you can make your
Sir,
connection all right, it'll be good. If not, you will
sir,
need to
these
drop
are the
off. Get
crowds.
somebody else to come and join in. So, are you enjoying
Yeah,
yourself,
sure.
Kumar Swami? Are you enjoying yourself? Are you learning
So,
something?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Super.
enjoying.
Okay, so we have Pooja also back. Pooja, can you hear me?
yeah. Yes, sir. So,
Yeah,
these are the
great. So
crowds.
tell me a little bit, Pooja, what are you up to? You're all in different areas, as I can see. What exactly are you doing? What are you learning, Pooja?
So, like, I have done many of the things in this event as I was the anchor for a day and then I was the judge. So, there are like, I have learned many things to do. So, yeah, it's a nice event.
Super, super. So here we are,
Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen. Are you enjoying yourself, Pooja and Kumar Swami? Pooja, are you enjoying the event? Are you learning some stuff?
Yes, sir. So, there are
Super.
performances going on. Performances are going on.
Okay, so there is a performance going on, and we are, thanks to Instagram, able to see what the students of Team I are doing. Fantastic. And what about
So,
yourself,
these
Kumar
are the
Swami?
audience.
Kumar Swami's connection also. So let's get a couple of other people also. I know that there are a lot more students over there. We
Yeah.
will ask Kumar Swami and Pooja to drop off for now and let us see whether we can get a few more. Thank you,
Sure,
Pooja.
sir.
Thank you, Kumar
Thank
Swami.
you.
Thank you so much. So let's see. As you can see, folks, I mean, this is like amazing stuff that is happening over here. 4-day event, the India Kid Fashion Week, organized by Event Capital from Mumbai. They chose TMI students to come and be a part of the same. Students are helping in every aspect of the event. Yeah, so that is absolutely fantastic. Having said that, let's quickly see who else is there that we can pull on over here. We have Abhijit, wonderful. We have Abhijit and we have Desai that I'm going to pull in now. A couple of people, superb. So this is getting very interesting. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I can see a lot of you are just hanging around and seeing what is happening. So I'm happy with that. There you are.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Man, oh man, I'm so happy to see you, dude.
Uh, I'm happy to, sir.
Okay, so
How are
tell
you,
me
sir?
quickly, what are you doing here and what are you learning? What is it happening? What
Sir,
exactly
I'm
is
learning a
happening?
lot of things, sir, and also I'm doing from food and beverage to anchoring to everything. I'm doing a lot of things, sir, and I'm getting a lot of good experience, and I'm learning a lot of things about event management.
Wonderful, superb, superb, fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Yes, sir. I can't hear you properly over the music.
what are you doing here? Absolutely fantastic, superb, absolutely great. Yes, we have Aman Gupta from Bombay. Aman Gupta from Bombay, who is a part of Team
Very
I
good evening to you, sir.
Bangalore. Yes, Aman, quickly tell us what are you learning?
Sir, sir, I
Aman
have been
Gupta,
handling
you are
all
on
my
with us.
team of 12. Yes, sir. Very good evening to you, sir. As you can see, I am the one point contact for this event. India Kids Fashion Week. So this was a 4-day event, sir. So I was supposed to handle my own team. So the manager of IKFW, they have allowed me to handle all the management department. Like I've been handling register, I've been handling the photo booth, I've been handling the MCs, I've been handling the judge, I've been doing the hospitality for the parents, whoever is lost. I'm showing them a way to go, where they have to go, what they have to do. So I'm doing all the work. So this has been a very great experience for me, and I'm very thankful to you, sir, to giving me such a big opportunity to handle a team of 12, sir. And it's not a,
Superb,
it was
superb. So
really
here
good
is
to work
Aman
with
Gupta.
each and every one of them.
So here is Aman Gupta, 21-year-old Aman Gupta, who is handling an entire team of people and conducting an event. You please understand, conducting an event, helping the event manager, in this case, Kiran Capital, to do the same. Superb. Let's listen from Abhishek Desai. Abhishek, your audio is here. Okay, Abhishek Desai cannot hear us. I can see that. Abhishek Desai. So coming back to you, Abhishek. What else? Can you hear me, Abhishek? You guys are on a lot of WhatsApp messages. Okay, I'm going to remove a few of them. I'm going to remove a
Bye,
few of them.
sir.
Bye, 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 bye. So here, folks, this is what TMI is all about. Yeah, this is what TMI is all about. So many of our students having so much fun. I'm going to pull in one more guy, and I'm also going to pull in our head of TMI, our marketing head of TMI, Guneet, who is going to come from all the way from Faridkot. Okay, so that is what it is. Next event is when you'll have to kind of join the institute to know all those details.
Hello, sir. Good
Here
morning.
we have
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Hey, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
So tell me
Hi,
about
sir.
what exactly you're doing at TMI.
Sir, I'm at the photo booth, sir. You can see right over here. This is the photo booth, and we are handling the printouts here, sir. This is the stage. Next person, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir.
We can't hear you, Guneet. You have to say it louder so we can hear you.
Sir, we both are in the same boat, sir.
You're both in the same boat. Okay. But he cannot hear us.
We both are in the same boat.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. Great. I'm going to let you guys off and you know, get your lunch. And if there's anybody else left over, so here you are, people. You can see what all is happening as a part of the course curriculum at TMI. We have got most of the people to come who are there right now in terms of the people from TMI who are there. So here you are. I'm going to quickly repeat everything once, which is that TMI is based in Bangalore, and Bangalore is the best place in the world. And this is where we teach event management, 50% theory, 50% practical. If you really want to make a career, this is the place to be in. On that note, goodbye, good luck, and catch you on the other side.